Ow!
Ooh, the butterfly.
We're in a baby car, guys. Hello, sir. Thank you.
Karura Forest.
Karura Forest. And so today, guys, we're going to the Karura Forest here just outside of Nairobi, Kenya. And this is our 5th day here, and we are loving every bit of it. It is a beautiful place. The people have been so kind and helpful. And yeah, we love Kenya. And we think if you ever come out this way, to East Africa, you have to visit Kenya. It's just beautiful, beautiful people. One of our favorite places on this trip. This is our new friend right here. What's your name?
Peter.
Peter. Peter, may Peter hook you up. You come to town, he show you around.
Top of the morning to you, ladies.
And we're going to the waterfall?
Yeah. So,
If someone seriously said that to you, top of the morning.
top of the morning.
Do you always talk about this when we're not here?
Well, it's so part of my job is to prepare your brothers and you for life, and part of their life will involve talking to girls. So I have to teach
They're
them.
gay.
They are, but they need to learn these things. That's what I'm saying. I can't even get my mask back on. Follow the rules. Hello.
Well, mighty marvelous day today, ladies. Quite a splendid day. Quite a splendid day today. Do you know the algebraic equation? What?
Have any great poop on?
I don't mean to be awkward. It's just I'm terribly, painfully shy. Like I could almost slit my wrists right now just looking at you. But anyway, that's probably a bit much. How are you, ladies?
I can slit my wrist right now just looking at you. What? How have you been enjoying this delightful stroll today?
Great. Are you enjoying meandering through this forest today? And would you like any compliments with this meal?
Excuse me?
That's it, you.
It'd be funny if she look at you and say, "Lady, you're on it."
Good.
I'm gonna start my music career out here in the bush.
Yep.
Are you trying to bring us out here to kill us, son?
You just got a hot mouth, bro. I ain't gonna kill you.
Excuse me.
What?
You having to head out? We're at the Karura Forest, just north of the city in Nairobi, Kenya. And it's just a little getaway for us. I've heard great things about this little place. It has a waterfall here and a lake, and apparently a little while ago developers were trying to do a land grab, take this property, take this land and build real estate on it. But local activists led by a woman, I gotta find her name, she protested and they demonstrated, and she and the group together won and preserved this place for posterity, for succeeding generations. So we just wanted to come and check it out. This is like
Lily pad.
lily pads. Want to try to cross the lake on them?
Yep.
Yeah.
Just like
See if we don't
Sonic.
sink.
I'm gonna be Prince and the Frog.
I'll be Mario.
You'll be all bad. A
Parasites.
hippo just kind of emerged, right here.
I'm out.
So which way do we go from the lake? Is it that way, or do we go that way? Right. Hello, ladies.
Hi.
You see that guy? You just speak, and not everyone will respond to you in a nice way. But I've learned probably about 90% of the people will reply nicely, and they appreciate, you being friendly, especially when you're in their land. Sometimes you want to expect everyone else to speak to you first, but it's not always the case, especially when you're a visitor. We have to stay the night here to survive through the night. If we make it, tomorrow we get omelets with cheese.
What?
If we survive the night. Look at that dark forest.
Wow. That looks like a book cover or something.
No, this isn't it.
Oh, okay. I was like, wait.
No,
You
no.
can't walk this way for that.
No, it's up that way.
Oh.
What's up, boss?
What's up?
Nice shirt, man. Nice shirt.
Good shit. Thank you
Yes,
very much.
sir.
I think we're gonna keep going.
That sound is therapeutic, isn't it? Very relaxing.
That's video. Oh.
It's on video.
Caves of Karura Forest.
Closing in 20 minutes.
Okay, so. Alright, let's do it. It is. It's like Avatar, right?
Yeah.
So, you remember the UK or the British were colonized this area, right? Remember that, Bert?
Yeah.
And eventually the Kenyan people wanted their freedom, their independence from the UK.
Yeah.
And so they formed the Mau Mau Freedom Fighter Party, the Freedom Party, where they fought against the British, and the soldiers fighting against the British rule were hiding in these caves during that time. Okay, so that's why that's important. And the leader of the freedom fighters was Jomo Kenyatta, right? He's the first president of Kenya, and the airport we flew into is named after him. So he's the one who inspired the Mau Mau movement, right? Yes. He's another Mau Mau freedom fighter cave.
Es un cave muy bonito.
Muy bonito.
How do you say
I don't know.
that's lightheaded?
All the best to you. All the best to you. It's been nice.
Ciao, ciao.
Well, you might want to pace yourself if you're getting dizzy,
Yeah.
because the sprinting doesn't help.
This looks like you're on a slip-up.
This is a stupid question, but have you ever seen a gorilla drink water?
I have not.
Think about that.
I have not, but I know they have to drink something.
I've seen Dad drink water, so technically.
Excuse me.
I mean, like the ones who aren't inside the house, you know?
The ones who aren't in house. See, that's the problem with you kids.
I hate you.
I'm out here trying to spend quality time with my children, you know, trying to make memories with them. And there's so much love here. So much love. So much love here, my family.
That's it.
This is my baby girl. She loves me. See? And this is my son, Manuel.
I hate you.
It's a little shy.
He's a little shy. He's a little shy. He's a little shy. He's a little shy. My son is a little shy. Don't be shy, son. Don't be shy, son. It's okay. Son, it's okay. Here's my little girl. It's all love here, spending quality time. She's having a rough day, but normally it's like much better. It's normally much better, hi, baby.
Don't you fall.
Burke, look at me. I love you, baby. Ow! I'm trying to repair my relationship with my children. She just slapped the taste out of my mouth. The taste of God. Hey, my baby. Get off me. Stop. Stop. Ouch. Maybe my son will hug me. Here, son. Get off me. Stop. Oh. If you guys see this, spend time with your kids early. Spend time with them often. If you wait until they're teenagers and they're 11, you know, they're not gonna love you. They're not gonna love you. I tried. Don't be the kind of dad that makes your daughter look at you like this. Or your son look at you like this. I tried, guys. I tried. Let me see a man walk.
I look like a man.
That's your man walk. Let me see a woman walk. What?
Oh no!
Wait, let me look at you walk.
Let me show you my woman walk. Yeah.
You look like a gay man.
I mean, technically.
Why'd your face like this?
Show me what I'm doing.
You're like this.
You're all stiff.
Let me record your face. Do it again. Why you look like that?
That's just the feeling that goes with that walk to me.
Sir?
What do you have? You have man muscles? Let me see your man muscles. Wow.
Wow, you're very small,
What
man.
are those called?
Man muscles. No, you be a girl.
Hey, girl. Did you hear about Ukraine? I feel bad for them.
Why you sound like a gay?
Girl.
That's stupid.
Girl, I'm gonna tell you like this. You see?
How you go?
It's like, oh my God.
You're acting ghetto.
No, this
I mean,
is like,
technically.
Not all women act like that.
No, that's a woman. I like what you did there. I like what you did there.
I'm upset.
Girl, shut your mouth.
You
Shut your
girl,
mouth.
don't get me
I'm
started.
I'm going there. That's why you're ugly. You're flat.
Girl, whatever. I got a dumpy. What's up, girl? How you been? You all right? Yeah, I'm good. I just been out here doing my
You
hair.
talking to yourself?
Yeah, just someone else. I'm in scene. I'm in character. I'm like,
What?
yeah. I've been so tired. Just been working all day. Girl, I'm exhausted.
Sir, what are you doing? Sir, why are you walking like that?
And cut. Did I get the part?
Yeah. Dream big. Dream big.
Hello, sir. Those candles is difficult.
Ready for this?
Ready.
Nothing. Smells like nothing. The camera's on me. Check me out. Check me out.
I like what you did there. Nothing.
Your eyes are getting red. You're crying.
Good, you a G. What have you enjoyed most? You said the people. The people.
After the people, I'd say feeding giraffes.
Yeah. After the people, I'd say feeding giraffes too.
Really?
I enjoyed the safari. I didn't know we'd be able to have that experience again, and that we see so many animals, and that it was right out next to the city.
Right out the board.
Yeah, I enjoyed. That was my well. I think I agree with everybody. The people are like number one, but then secondly it was the safari. And I enjoyed the giraffe sitting and the big elephants.
Yeah.
That just safari was pretty cool.
It was out there.
And I enjoyed that store.
Giraffes in it.
I agree, baby. Yeah, I agree. For me, it was the people too. It was the people, the welcome, the hospitality of the people. And it's hard to pick something after that for me. Like the safari was great, the giraffes were great, the little shop, the Lovebirds Cooperative was amazing.
The Kenyan coffee.
The Kenyan coffee was great. But it's just the vibe, I think. I think I've enjoyed most. You know, the not being looked at like we're criminals. Y'all blew it hard. The dance party.
Don't hurt your back. Don't hurt your back. Ooh, the butterfly. Ooh, Roger Rabbit. Ooh, new edition. I can get into it.
Scott family.
Yes.
You see that for nothing. Hey, it's a little bit. Watch this.
Ooh, guys.
Hey, Cameron.
Guys,
Yes.
I love you. We had an amazing time on this trip.
I hate dream big.
This brings our time in Kenya to an end. And now we've got to pack up and say goodbye to this beautiful place. Ooh, nice. So we're heading out, we're packing up to head out in the morning to another beautiful place. But for now, Kenya, thank you. The beautiful people of Kenya, thank you. Asante sana. Thank you for making us feel so welcome in this gorgeous country, and in Nairobi in particular. All of our hosts, all of our drivers, all of the people who have helped us, blessed us at the supermarkets, at the stores, at the restaurants, on the streets, at the markets. You are really, truly an amazing people. And it's been an honor to be here and visit your country. And so if you are watching this and you are thinking about visiting Africa, I cannot recommend Kenya highly enough. The place is really amazing. And it's not so much the things you do, it's just being here in this environment. There are plenty of things to do. The national park, the museum, the elephant orphanage, the giraffe center, the markets, the malls, the Westgate Mall, there are just so many malls. I think there's the Hub Karen. There's all these malls and shopping areas, but really it's the people that make this place so amazing. So come check out Kenya. All right, until next time, we are out.